Well, we are making our way down the Oregon coast, and we stopped in Tillamook to tour the Tillamook factory. You had to have a reservation to tour, so you online you can easily make one. We made same-day reservation. I'm all about that ice cream, and my daughter Caitlin, who is traveling with me, is about that cheese. So we are gonna go check it out and hopefully taste some really good things and have a good time.
Sing out your wins and trials like a melody. Ride the storms with your head held high. We only breathe till the day we die. Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down.
Here is the line for the reservations.
Other groups on the inside. Check out with one of us on the way out, and it's credit cards only if I didn't say that part.
Okay.
And you're going to head straight forward into those doors.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. See the. Okay. Tillamook has a self-guided tour. This happened to be the first day Tillamook opened back up after being closed due to the pandemic. If you don't know anything about Tillamook, here's a little history. The city of Tillamook is located on the southeast end of Tillamook Bay on the Pacific Ocean in Oregon. In 1851, the first European settler arrived in the Tillamook Valley. They found out that the wet, cool climate and all that rain made green grass perfect for raising dairy cows. In 1894, renowned Canadian cheesemaker Peter McIntosh brought his cheddar-making expertise to Tillamook County, where he taught the locals everything he knew. Then in 1909, several small creameries joined forces to make sure the cheese made in Tillamook Valley was the same quality. Each creamery contributed a whopping $10 to start the cooperative. Tillamook sets a high bar as to how every cow is treated. They believe in low-stress, clean environments and the cows being fed high-quality feed. Also, all the dairies take a pledge not to use artificial growth hormones. They have about 80 farmer owners in the co-op. Here's what it looks like inside the factory. Once the milk arrives at the factory, it is piped into cooking vats. And once in the cooking vats, they start the process of making cheese by adding enzymes. And they use annatto for the color to make the cheddar look orange. It is a natural colorant from the seeds on the anchovy tree. It takes 10 pounds of milk to make 1 pound of cheese. Each vat holds about 53,500 pounds of milk, which is 6,220 gallons. Once the milk sets, rotating blades cut the curd into cubes. The Cheddar Master, for those that love cheddar. Cheddar process. Once the enzyme has been added that kicks off the cheese making process, the liquid whey is drained off the top, then curds drop into the middle belt, making a bigger mass of curd. Then the mass gets rotated and stretched like used to be done by hand at the bottom. Separating the curds and the whey is the key to making cheddar. Now the whey goes to their whey processing plant, which turns it into powder, which is often found in protein drinks or protein bars. They produce 82,000 pounds of whey powder every day, and in the old days that liquid whey was just poured down the drain, which was a huge waste. That's how they used to do it. Yeah, this is how they used to do it. And now, yep, the new way. Back in the day, from the 1880s up until 1990, all cheese was made in open vats. Cheesemakers had to separate the curds and whey by hand, but now they have the Cheddar Master machine. And the workers make sure it all works properly, and the new process is carefully controlled to keep the same texture and flavors as when they made it by hand in the old days. And salt is the only thing we add to the cheese. That's it, salt. So they have a salter. The salter. They add salt to the cheddar because it does more than just add flavor. The salt draws out more whey and slows the production of lactic acid. This means less moisture, which helps the cheddar age better. Finishing touch. So back there in the back is the salter. That's where they add the salt. Draw out the moisture.
Over there.
Down there, there's big old huge blocks of cheese coming down the line. Oh yeah, cheese, lots of cheese. Then the cheddar is formed into big blocks of 40 pounds each to be taken to be aged. Octopus. The blue octopus vacuum seals each cheese in its package. It goes around and the machine's arms move up and down, and it was nicknamed the blue octopus. The vacuum sealer gives each package an airtight seal. And there's the blue octopus. Wow, that's crazy. Look at that. Super fast. Tossing those out. Yeah, look at, the ones that don't make the cut going down that conveyor belt. Look at packing the cheese. Whoa. Well, look at all those going by. That's some. Whoa. So apparently it's being cut into smaller blocks and packaged. Ready for the store. It's pretty cool. So now we're going down to actually see the cheese, taste the cheese, and taste the ice cream. There's Caitlin. Share the love to make our fun. So normally you would get to taste here, but you can't taste because of the COVID. So here's a bunch of buckets with facts and stuff. Pretty cool. Oh, that's cute. Fill the barn. Holy cow. Dedicated to quality at every stage. Ingredients: milk. Here's the ice cream. Berries, nuts. No artificial growth hormones, artificial preservatives, artificial colors, artificial flavors, high fructose corn syrup. High quality, very high quality. This is so cool. I love this wall. Tillamook Creamery. 170,000 pounds of cheese and 18,000 gallons of ice cream here in Tillamook every day. van, like my sticker. I'm all about that ice cream. Oh yeah, that's what I'm here for. Oh, look at that. Yum. Wow. This little boy's all about that. These boys are about that ice cream too. Yum, yum, yum. More cream, less air. Came here. Came here for the ice cream. And there's your flavors. A lot of them. Mountain huckleberry, maybe. I know, I am. Cookies and Marionberry pie I had the other night, so I'm thinking about the mountain huckleberry. There's the flavors.
Are you getting one scoop?
Yeah, just one scoop or it'll make me sick. Get all those. Here's the ice cream. Mudslide and cookies and cream. That's what it looks like. Yum. If you like this video, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. See you next time.